Most yachts in the 80-foot class split the upper deck between a helm and a sun lounge. The Sunseeker 82 Ocean Enclosed turns the whole level into one room, built by Sunseeker in Poole, England. The 82 Ocean Enclosed carries a fast-displacement hull under a fully enclosed upper deck and single helm station, the newest entry in Sunseeker's Ocean series. Twin-man diesels, just over 3,200 horsepower combined, turning shaft drives, top end 25 knots. At cruising speeds of 10 to 12 knots, she carries a range of 900 nautical miles, enough for a real multi-day passage, not just a day on the water. 82 feet 6 inches overall, 21 feet 6 inches of beam, 6 foot 1 draft. A single level main deck runs from the wheelhouse aft through an extended saloon out to twin patio doors on both sides. The upper deck is the story here. Fully enclosed, single helm station, floor to ceiling glazing, wrapped almost 360 degrees around the saloon. Sunpads and an optional spa tub turn it into a full-time outdoor room, not just a sun deck. Nearly the entire vessel runs on single-level flooring, foredeck to lower deck, rare at this size, and the master stateroom can move to the main deck for foredeck access and open water view straight from the berth. 4 to 5 cabins, 4 to 5 en-suites, sleeping up to 8 guests. The layout is fully configurable. Owners can choose a full beam aft master on the lower deck with a twin basin ensuite, or move the master forward to the main deck. A central glazed staircase ties the decks together without breaking the sightlines. Bottom line, this is an 82-foot yacht built to feel like private real estate, not a boat. For the full spec sheet and comparison data on the Sunseeker 82 Ocean Enclosed, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.